All right, we got this amazing heavy-duty industrial fan, 30 inches. Great, like 3 different speeds. I'll show you that in just a second. Very easy to put together. Put it together in probably like 15 minutes or less. Honestly, probably like 10 minutes. Starts out, you got this piece, the main piece right here. Then you've got these piece here on both sides. You tighten it in with this thing right here. Then you've got the base piece, 2 different pieces. That first you step back here, you connect it with the wheel, right, with the wheels right here. Then when you're done, you screw this in right here, and then you put the top piece into the bottom piece, you're good to go. I mean, like straight up 10 minutes. So this thing's sweet, portable. I already have it plugged in, but as you can see, the wheels got this handle right here. It wheels around, so very easy to move, but it's also like, it's not like it's super heavy. It is heavy duty, but you can easily carry it around. You've also got this vibe where it tilts like that. And if you want to come around to the back, I'll show you turning it on. It's going to start with the highest mode. So, I'll go ahead and turn it on, and I'll do the other 2 modes after that. So this is the high speed. And as you can see, it's blowing the stuff on the ground. It just did that. And I'll let you, I don't know if that catches that, but it's a high speed. It's a high speed. And then you go down a little bit lower. That's the medium speed. And then here's the low speed. And the low speed is still, it's a decent speed, but it's definitely, there's a lot different, the high speed compared to the low speed. You can turn it off. But as you can see, it's a really high quality and heavy duty industrial fan. This is the one you need. Highly recommend.